Hey guys, welcome to our backyard. Of course, you're going to see the first ever Hebel render in block history. It looks amazing, it's spectacular.
I love it.
The pool, this is a PJ pool. Unbelievable. It feels like you're basically in Bali. It's resort-like, it's luxurious.
This feels good.
Yeah.
I like their water feature. That's cool. This is nice.
Look at that. Oh, it's a smoker. I reckon that's really clever. Look at that.
As you come through, you're going to have a servery window as well, just for entertainment. And then obviously you have the links to 2 bedrooms for this outdoor area. So the whole house links. And then this is probably, in our opinion, the best backyard plantation in block history as well.
We have the block's biggest fire pit ever for those cold winter nights.
This is a nice fire pit space. Very, very close to a tree though.
Remember the judges, in week 1 our candle was going to burn the house down.
Yeah.
You got a tree here, this is going to burn the trees down.
It's all done precisely and perfectly. We have creeping fig planted all along the back wall. In 2 years' time, it's all going to be green. It's going to look amazing.
This would have to be my second favourite.
Who's your first?
Ours.
Oh, yeah.
Who else?
Yeah.
And then our backyard is suitable for kids, adults. We love it, we're very proud of it. Welcome to our backyard.